Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video we're talking about Vechain coin, friends. What's the next move occur in the Vechain coin? And a lot of people personally message me on Instagram that what should we do, as it the best time to buy, sell or hold Vechain coin, friends. As you know, the farming of the Vechain coin starts now from the previous last one day, so a lot of people confused that how they take a decision at this time, friends. So finally getting confused, so I decide to make a video for my viewers, for my subscriber, that what is the best decision for all of you. On the basis of technical analysis, I will give you a good suggestion, friends. So keep watching this video till the end, friends, and remember to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates, friends. Now, friends, let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the currently price of Vechain coin, friends. 0.213073 USD dollar is the currently price of Vechain coin, friends. And if we talk about the price change occurs, so as I told you that the last 1 hour change is negative, last one day change is also in negative, last 1 week 7 days change is positive. So that's mean that the previous last 1 week change is positive, because the previous month as the April month, and now as you know today is the 3rd May, friends, as you can see here. So when the Vechain coin enters into a new month, so the farming period, as you can see here, the last 1 day price change is negative, friends. So the farming period of the Vechain starts now, friends. Let's see for the more details of Vechain coin, the price prediction chart, friends. First of all, as you can see here, that is last 2 hour price prediction. If we look, the price change occur only in the last 2 hours. 2 hours change as negative 1.58%, friends. That is why a lot of people confuse that the Vechain coin falls down day by day, minute by minute, hour by hour falls down occur in the Vechain coin. So what should we do? That is why a lot of people personally message me, friends. Now if we look, the highest price of the Vechain coin 0.217007 USD dollar is the highest price of Vechain coin in the last 2 hours, friends. And if we look the chart, so the chart tells us that only and only falls occur in the Vechain coin, friends. As you can see here, continuously fast occur in the Vechain coin. Let's see the last 1 day price prediction chart. Last 1 day price change occur in the Vechain coin, friends. As I told you that only and only fast occur in the Vechain coin, friends. At this time, after this time, the falling period of the Vechain coin starts now, and now at this time they still falls Vechain coin, friends. So why they are falling Vechain coin, and what's the reason behind that? So the reason is clearly that, as you know, it is the start of a new month, friends. That is why they falls down, friends. A lot of seller goes to sell has fallen at this time, friends. If you are a holder of Vechain coins, so absolutely you should know about Vechain coin, friends. Now, friends, if you are a holder, so what should you do at this time, friends? So I think it's the best decision for all of you to hold your coin at this time, friends. If we look the price change, so the price change is a negative, friends. So that's mean that you are in the loss at this time, friends. If you want to sell his coin at this time, friends, so you are in the loss, friends. And if you want to hold your coin, so I think maybe there's a lot of chances to get it again positive and take a high jump, and the price become high, so there is a lot of chances to they give you a profit. But now at this time, if you're gonna sell it at this time, friends, so now at this time they are in the loss, friends. What's your opinion about Vechain? My suggestion for all of you to hold your coin with the last half of this month, friends. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, friends, and remember to subscribe AB's Tech channel for more news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.